One sagacious decision can save everyone, while a single act of folly can destroy all.
Two merchants were crossing a vast desert, their camels moving steadily under the fading sun. One sky that hadn't decided yet what it wanted to become. Their camels moved in rhythm, hooves sinking and rising, as the sun leaned lower and lower toward the dunes. The desert atmosphere was at golden sun, long shadows, heat haze, distant horizon. Far off, in the distance, dark clouds began to gathering like something with intent. First merchant glanced at them and laughed. He said,
"We still have daylight. Let's move faster."
He pushed his camel and he thought about outrun whatever that was. He was reckless. But the second merchant paused. He didn't answer right away. He noticed the wind growing restless, birds flying unusually low, and the camels becoming nervous and trying to stay beneath something. You're afraid, the first merchant mocked, pressing forward confidently. Without a word, he turned toward a nearby rocky shelter. Night came, and so did the violent storm. The sandstorm roared like a monster, swallowing everything. The first merchant struggled through the chaos, losing all his goods to the storm. By midnight, the desert unleashed its fury. The second merchant was safe and calm in a rocky shelter, taking tea as if nothing had happened. At dawn, exhausted and shaken, the first merchant finally reached the rocky shelter. There, he found the second merchant, safe, relaxed, and without any damage or loss.
Being sagacious is not about fear. It is not about predicting the future before disaster announces itself.
Being sagacious is not about fear. It is about noticing the signs, understanding them, and acting wisely before disaster announces itself.
Sagacious equals choosing what serves over what shines. This blade is pure steel. Let me see. This one is just for show, my prince. A real sword must be balanced. Feel the difference. Respectfully, my prince, feel this one's balance.
This blade is exceptionally balanced.
It was forged for a king, sire. A fool chooses what shines. A sagacious person chooses what serves. A fool chooses what shines. A sagacious person chooses what serves.
Years later, the same prince became a sagacious king, sitting on a modest but dignified throne, wearing a simple crown, robes elegant but not overly lavish.
I reject this monument. Approve the schools and roads.
Let us learn our letters.
Ruled well, not because he loved beauty less, but because he finally understood usefulness and practicality. True sagacity chooses what serves. A fool chooses what shines. A sagacious person chooses what serves. Definition of sagacious.
Sagacious means having the ability to think clearly, judge wisely, and understand deeply, especially when the situation is complex and crucial.
Pronunciation of sagacious.
Sagacious, Sagacious.
Sagacious. Sagacious.
Examples of sagacious.
Replacing typewriters with computers in offices was a sagacious idea.
The sagacious CEO anticipated the market crash and adjusted the company's strategy months before it happened.
Her sagacious comments during the meeting helped the team avoid a costly mistake.
By balancing risk with long-term value, we can ensure sustainable growth. That is my recommended strategy.
Even though he was young, his sagacious approach to investing impressed the older partners.
The sagacious leader avoided conflict by choosing diplomacy.
When Jane needs advice, she goes to her sagacious friend.
It is not very sagacious of you to play with fire.
The sagacious old man was respected for his wisdom.
Instead of getting into a petty argument, do the saggiest thing. Avoid the conflict and walk away.
Instead of getting into a petty argument, do the sagacious thing next time and walk away. Instead of getting into a petty argument, do the sagacious time and walk away. Synonyms of sagacious.
Wise, insightful, judicious, perspicacious, prudent, perceptive.
Antonyms of sagacious.
Foolish, unwise, naive, injudicious, indiscreet, imprudent.
Please like, share, and subscribe to Word Voyage for more word stories in a fun way. Also, write your sentences using the word sagacious and give your feedback in the comments section below.